Hi, my name is Joe Di Bartolomeo. I'm an attorney with offices in Beaverton and Astoria. I represent injured people. A lot of the work I do involves motor vehicle collisions, injuries from auto wrecks. And I wanted to talk a little bit about proving fault or negligence. You know, a lot of the cases we handle, the responsibility or fault issue is pretty obvious. For example, somebody might be hit from behind while at a stoplight or at a stop sign, and there's really not a lot of argument about who is responsible. But in other cases, like an intersection collision, the issue of fault or negligence may not be so clear. So what I want to do is just give you a very basic outline of what's involved in proving fault. There are a lot of statutes and rules out there that tell us what we need to do and what we must not do. And if you violate one of those rules or statutes, then it's pretty easy to establish that somebody is at fault. And we have a term in the law called negligence per se. So if we can show that somebody violated the basic rule, which is speeding, or they failed to honor a stop sign or a traffic signal, then we can pretty much show that they were negligent. But there's a lot of situations where somebody does something and it was careless, but we can't find a specific rule or statute that tells us that it's dangerous. So we have to rely on something called common law negligence. And that's there because, like I said, we can't write a rule for every time or every instance where somebody does something careless. And what we're really looking at there is to see if somebody's negligence under that theory or careless is whether or not it was foreseeable that that behavior would cause specific harm. And a lot of times a judge will have to look at that and make a decision. So when you have a claim, you can't overlook the requirement that you prove the other person was at fault. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. If you have questions about this, call us at 503-325-8600. There is a lot to this issue. We can explain how it all works, answer any questions you have, and hopefully help you figure out where you're standing with your claim. Thanks for watching.